I posted a video called Back in Business with Animal Jam. And if you guys were wondering, how did I make the music? This is how I made the music in the background. Of course, they updated the app, and I only got that up like about 2 months ago. I mean, they got good taste. And then you got the BPM. I forgot what they do, but they do something. But you want to keep it at 125, and these you can also go back a little bit, but you want to go to 100 So if you want to make some music and you want to have a different BPM, I would recommend going up to 100 through 135. It's like the best. So between those numbers, I recommend going through those numbers. Well, I just want to show you what I use, and that's all. Bye, guys.